Hey, good morning. Welcome back to Randy Hikes in Nature. Today I'm at the Tavares Nature Park. So Tavares is in Lake County, Florida. It is the capital of Lake County. Here's the rules for the park. This is my first time hiking here. So let's see how it is. I can already see that I like all the shade. And it's a big wide path. We are right off of Highway 19. And they are also doing construction close by, so I think that we're not going to get the pristine quietness, but it's hard to get that anyway. Some happy birds. So how I found this trail is how I find a lot of my trails, and that's with the All Trails app. And the All Trails app says that this is only around 0.6 mile hike. So for somebody that's maybe just getting back into hiking, or maybe they don't have the capacity to hike far, or maybe they have to bring little kids because they have little children, or they want their children to be exposed to nature, this looks like a good option for you. It's very short, the ground's very flat, and while it's forested, it's not so thick. Some folks I talk to tell me, Randy, I would never go in the woods like you do. I'm worried about this, I'm worried about that. Well, look, this is in the woods, but goodness, look at the road. I mean, literally, if there's anything here, you can see it. No excuse. Come on, let's go hiking. This is definitely an impressive little trail. So here they have a nice pavilion with some picnic tables. It's covered, trash receptacle, beautiful bird feeder over there to attract birds. And the trail keeps going. Somebody even left us a walking stick if we need it. Actually, this trail, it looks like it's longer than the All Trails app says. Let's go this way. This is brilliant. I wished I would have turned my stopwatch on. I could tell you exactly how far it is. Oh man, this is just so lovely. I hate road noise, but this is a cool place. So glad I came here. I would definitely bring my dog here. Nice wide open spaces. Plenty of room to run. And plenty of sticks to play fetch with. Beautiful butterfly. Yeah, this is definitely a cool little trail. So, actually, I don't think this is an organized trail back here. This is just people making up a trail. Easy hiking though. Just gotta navigate some low trees. I don't want to go too far back here because I planned for a very short walk. All Trails said 0.6 miles. I've walked at least a mile already, and it is approaching 90 degrees, and I only have about half a bottle of water. So oh man, I love it back here. So if you are a regular listener and viewer of my videos, I've mentioned before that my favorite thing about nature are the sounds. And here there's a lot of road noise. So I can appreciate that I'm not getting my fix on the sounds. But here I can go boondocking, I can go off trail, and that makes it worthwhile because I love to go off trail. Oh, I'm back on the trail, or a trail. I love to go off trail and just walk in the woods. And what's very nice about this place is the ground cover is very thin. It's not thick. And it's very easy to see where you're going. Huh. Which way did I? Okay. That's the way I came from. I haven't gone this way. Let's go this way. But it's very easy to boondock here. You can see there's little ground cover. So it's beautiful here. Yeah, for a nice short hike, come check this place out if you're in Tavares. There are, if you do get the All Trails app, there are, from right here, I can think of an incredible waterfront park. I can think of an incredible disabled person park. There's a lot of opportunity for nature in this area. So please come check it out. So we're heading back to where I parked. Probably, I'm guessing, from the entrance to the pavilion and then back up this main loop here is probably the actual trail. So I'm guessing that's probably the 0.6 miles where I walked. I added, well, more than double that, I'm sure. And you could easily triple it or quadruple it or walk the loop several times if you want. For the day, I'm approaching 21,000 steps. This is not my first hike of the day, nor will it be my last, so I don't need to do extra loops. This park is also very dog friendly. As I was parking, there was a young lady and her dog just leaving. He seemed very happy. Man, who wouldn't be? Get out here in this wonderful, lush area. All right, we've made it back to our chariot. What a lovely place. This is a great park. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Keep hiking.